What's up, happy people? I'm G Storm, and today we're down here in Savannah, and we're gonna enjoy ourselves. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are starting the day off with a wonderful breakfast before we get our day started. And today is gonna be a great day. I'm loving the day already. I feel good, smell good, look good, and this is what a man self-care day look like. And this is kind of what I'm doing now since I moved down here. But anyways, let's eat our breakfast. Look at the little doggy. He has to hold him. Ooh, this sun is not playing today, guys. It's already hot. I'm glad I booked the 9 a.m. instead of the like 3 p.m. because I would have been burning up. Right now we are getting ready to head out to the spot. I've done this once before. Seems like I got the best of the jet skis right now. Yeah, we'll have some fun today. Yeah, baby, here we go. Let's ride. It's smooth right here. They let you go a lot farther than what they used to. First time in a long time that I did this by myself, and I would say the jet ski go a lot faster. Hey, golly, they let you go real far. Alright guys, let's see how long it takes me to go from right here, from the farthest side, all the way by the bridge. Let's see. Let's ride. Man, this thing goes quick. First, let me fix my hat. I might as well take it off. I'm thinking about doing just taking it off, so I'm gonna have my hair combed out today. Alright, let's see if we can make it over there. Here we go, man. Oh, that's the Dolphins right there. You see those? Wow. Apparently I'm too far from the coastline right now. I kind of want to roll up to the Dolphins. Get close to them. Apparently they I don't know why, but it felt like I went so much farther than what I did. You guys see the Dolphins right there? First I thought it was like somebody out here swimming. Wow, that's crazy. I wonder how close I can get to them. Oh snap, they're coming right at me. Look at the Dolphins! Wow! Hopefully this is recording on my minutes. So I'm gonna stop the recording and then like start back recording. Oh snap! I have never been this close to the Dolphins. Wish I had a piece of fish. Oh, there they go, right there. Wow. Yeah, come out probably. Oh, they were there. Oh, what are they doing? They look very aggressive right now. That's a female dolphin. Oh, let me get away from them. Oh, God. What's going on there? Dude, it's another dolphin. Wow. What's going on? Maybe like eating or something? Maybe one of them just jump up on a boat right now. I would be so scared. It'd be me versus the Dolphins. Oh, they look so nice so close. I have actually, I'm tripping. In Jamaica, in Falmouth, I've seen a dolphin that close. Yeah, it's pretty cool to see them like this. Alright, let me let them have their time. We're gonna get back to riding. Let's ride, baby. I hope you guys like these two POVs right here that I'm doing today. I like the acceleration on this thing, man. Last time I was here, you was able to kind of go basically anywhere. Check out this. Let's see if my hypotheses are correct. Once I get a little bit closer to her jet ski, yeah, can't be too far from a jet ski. That's exactly what it is. Yeah, so they got these things maxed out at like 41 miles an hour. like a fish, like red snapper, fillet and sea bass, anything, basically anything they catch, or like shrimp or anything like that. And then with that, you can basically have them, they can grill it in front of you, or they can fry it in front of you as well, or you can take it just with you, basically just a fish market. Not going there today, probably gonna do something else, but you guys will definitely see that at some point. That's one of my favorite places down here in Savannah, and whenever my parents decide to come down to visit, I will definitely take them there with me. Yeah, boy! Big store! This is so smooth. Remember I did this one time in the Bahamas, and it was so rough, almost like fell out. Let's do a little turny turn here. A little turny turn. So, let's see if I can catch it. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's like riding a motorcycle on this lake. Full throttle, baby. Woo, woo, woo. I want to see, maybe it's because she's supposed to be. Let's see if she want to race. Probably don't want to race. I've never turned a jet ski like this. Oh, Dolphins. Dang, they are out here. The Dolphins are really out here. That's crazy. Yeah, guys, I'm probably about to listen to some music since I got these Ray-Ban Metas on. I feel like I got enough footage that I want to just see you guys. I don't want you guys to just see me riding back and forth here, because it's kind of like the rain and whatnot. So I'm listening to some music, and then I got my other POV down on the steering wheel, as you guys can see, and you guys will see that. So yes, I'm listening to music on my glasses, and then you guys can just see me right here. We didn't get none of that. We're gonna try that again on my glasses. I want to be able to talk and want you guys to kind of see me. Think about doing a motorcycle vlog with these glasses too. But yeah. So what I said is I am going to listen to some music and basically ride and kind of not bring my phone. I did not bring my phone, so I cannot listen to music. But anyway, I'm still just gonna ride around and enjoy myself, and have you guys look at me right here until I get ready to leave. And I'm gonna show you guys where I go fishing a lot at once I leave as well. You didn't get none of that. We're gonna try that again on my glasses. I want to be able to talk and want you guys to kind of see me. Thinking about doing a motorcycle vlog with these glasses too. But yeah. So what I said is I am going to listen to some music and basically ride and kind of not bring my phone. I did not bring my phone, so I cannot listen to music. But anyway, I'm still just gonna ride around and enjoy myself, and have you guys look at me right here until I get ready to leave. And I'm gonna show you guys where I go fishing a lot at once I leave as well. See what they do here. See where they come up at. I want one of them to come up like right up to the jet ski. That'd be pretty cool. I can pet it like a dog. Hey, can I pet that dog? I want to run over the dolphin. move out the way. All right, kid. Let me get away from these guys. You guys just saw real fear right there. Just to hear somebody just breathe on the other side of you. It seems like it's breathing on one side, and the other side it just comes up. It's like, how are they moving that fast? But it's probably like a whole pod of the Dolphins. I don't want them to surround me. You know, they might be like workers and try and capsize the jet ski. Look at that, they're doing dolphin watches over there. But I get to do it on my own, so I kind of get to watch and see it. And I get to go real fast. Looks like it's almost time for me to get a new GoPro. Like it's starting to get rusty a little bit. That's cool. Man, so I'm thinking about doing a business down here. I want to do a fishing business, but the fishing is, I mean, it's all right down here. I haven't really been offshore like that yet with the boat. I'm thinking about doing like day cruises and then doing like an open bar to day cruises. I'm gonna look and see what's all go into that and have like very healthy drinks. Maybe mix like natural foods and give people a little alcohol as well so they can enjoy it. So I don't know what's all the red tape with that, but I'm gonna do that. And then also I'm thinking about doing like crabbing on the weekend with my boat down here, if I can kind of figure out how to get into that. Just dropping a whole lot of crab traps out and, you know, maybe catch about 300-400 crabs every weekend. Just selling them to the local fish market. See if I can make some money doing that. Right now I got a good job, but I want to find something that I love doing. Being out on the water, that's something that I really love doing. And I can be out here all day basically. If it wasn't for the sun and me getting sleepy and getting hungry. So, yeah. So I'm gonna put this off here. And I'm actually going to just enjoy jet skiing for a little bit, and then we'll regroup after I jet ski, and probably gonna do something else after this. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying my vlog so far. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Yeah, the metals just went dead. But like I was saying, I will buy one of these and take it to the Bahamas. Be less maintenance costs and it'll be easier to trailer around. I get into a little smaller spaces as well. That may be something I look into like the future, but for now I am going to, you know, just stick with my boat because I don't owe anybody anything on it, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Just stick with that for now because it's pay off. Yeah, I gotta do a little work to it, but once I'm finished with the work, it'll be pretty much worth it. Even though I don't get to ride it nothing but 2 or 3 more times after the other time I just rode it. But yeah. I'll see you guys back at the dock. I'm gonna get all this footage off my phone, and then I'm going to probably head and go get me something to eat off the island. So yeah, see you guys back at the dock. Alright guys, so this is the last thing I'm going to record is my Ray-Bans are starting to run out of space. But right here, I went fishing with a cool guy's name was Rusty. Probably hit him back up again once I bring my boat all the way down here to Savannah. And we'll probably go fishing out here on my boat. And then when I'm fishing from shore, I fish right there. So it's right across from the Tybee Island jet ski. I do that periodically. It'd be here and there. It's not like a every weekend thing. But yeah, we're about to get ready to head in and dock up, and I'm hungry now. Now that I'm somewhat a local Savannaian, I'm not gonna eat food here on Tybee Island. I'm probably gonna go off the island and get me something, you know, good. Probably like a crab boil or something, I don't know. But I'm not gonna eat this food over here because this is kind of like the basic, yeah, you come to Tybee Island or come to Savannah and you go over here and go to the tourist trap and eat their food. So I'm gonna go get me some other food. Yep, let's dock this bad boy up. I'm really thinking about buying one of these instead of messing with that big old boat. I can buy one of these for like 20,000. And it'd be good for me when I want to go over to the Bahamas. I can take one of these to the Bahamas. It'd be pretty cool to do that. And less maintenance costs too.
G-Storm. Family. Let's have fun. Woo! I stay getting that work in California, and all the people they show me love in California. I flew a girl from the A to California, and I be enjoying the best vibe.
At Crap du Jour, y'all like my new hat? I pee in pools. I love this hat. I got me a pound of shrimp head on.
I got to get back to that place, that Cali. Palm trees in the air, the top push back, blowing smoke out the roof, good times to be exact. I'm always in Cali cause this is where it's at. Good vibes, sunshine, what you know about that? Where all the fly ladies ride nice cars. They either wanna be an actress or a star. I'm at the club on Sunset, throwing singles with this nice girl from Compton, chilling simple, breaking down, rolling up the good stuff. Left the Laugh Factory, pulled up in Inglewood. I connect with different people, show love. My stash spot out in the valley. Welcome to my palace. Just went and rocked 2 shows out in Dallas, bringing goods from LA and crates from the Bay. I stay getting that work from California, and all the people they show me love in California. I flew a girl from the A to California, and I be enjoying the best vibe.
I don't pee in pools, but I might pee in oceans. I'm kidding, guys. Yeah, this is the perfect way to end the day. I'm just sitting here at the beach watching the sunset, and I am enjoying myself. Today was pretty fun. I like to do stuff like that here and there, just to, you know, break up the monotony of stuff, because I work so hard during the week and doing basically the whole year that I have to sometimes treat myself to stuff like that. But yeah. Uh-oh, here comes a big wave. Don't want to mess my phone up out here. But yeah. With that being said, we're gonna end the vlog right here. G-Storm out. Much love. Another big wave. Peace, guys.